Hello, Papa. Can you tell me how and why should we save water?
Yes, you have asked two questions at a time. First is why should we save water? So, of course, for life support, we require certain elements provided by nature, and water is one of them. Without water, no life is there on earth, and we cannot survive. So, that is why we need to save water. And the second part of your question is how should we save water? So, before answering this question, I simply want to tell you that we must understand the cycle of how water comes and how we waste water and how it goes without utilization. So, when we receive rains, it flows through small nalis and channels to bigger nalas and then into rivers and further to
Seawoods,
oceans. So we need raw land available for this rainwater to be collected somewhere as a part of as pond, as a rainwater harvesting systems, as some canals or you say dams where we can store water. It will start going inside the earth surface and it will be saved there for further utilization. So this is a way how we can save inside the earth surface, and we can stop flowing of water unutilized from our places to the oceans. And the second part, how we can save water, is we can minimize the utilization of water by adopting those methods which we used to uh, practice sometimes back, and post liberalization and post process of adopting the more consumption patterns, we have increased this level. So it's better to get back to the old methodology for saving water. So we'll save water in two ways. One is of course by getting it into beneath of earth surface, and secondly by utilizing less water for our needs. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So hello, and today I have a special guest. So this is my mother, and she will tell us how she saves water.
Hello everybody. As we know that water is very necessary for all of us, and there is a huge shortage of water in the nearby future. So we all need to conserve water. So this we can do it from our home only. Like if we conserve the water at home level, then in future our future generation will not face water problem. First of all, I do this shower. Instead of taking shower bath, we all prefer to take bucket bath. Then instead of washing vegetables in the running water, I always try to wash it in the bowl filled with water, so that it will reduce shortage of it will reduce the wastage of water through the running taps. Then the water which comes out from the RO, I usually store it in a bucket, and then we use it afterwards for like mopping of the floor, watering plants, etc. Thank you.